Hey everyone, thanks for letting us know what worked and what didn't in the earlier videos. As Yoda might say, feedback you gave improved the videos we did. Now on to our next video, about industrial civilizations. Industrial civilizations are large-scale societies that organize production through mechanized processes, technological systems, and complex divisions of labor. These societies developed over the last 200 years, dramatically changing how people interact with each other and the environment. This form of organization has created substantial material wealth for some people, but such a model depends heavily on limited resources such as fossil fuels and minerals. This situation creates a tension between economic growth now and maintaining ecosystem health for the future. The United States during the 20th century demonstrates this pattern clearly. Manufacturing centers formed around steel mills, auto plants, and chemical facilities, creating new types of work and community. Material standards of living improved dramatically for many Americans, with access to consumer goods, healthcare, and education expanding greatly. During the same period, many rivers became severely polluted, highways divided neighborhoods, and measurable climate change began. These benefits and burdens were not distributed equally across society. Looking to the coming decades, humanity faces important choices about how industrial systems might evolve. Many indigenous communities maintain stable, regenerative relationships with local ecosystems for thousands of years before industrialization. Their knowledge offers valuable insights alongside modern scientific approaches. Information technology provides tools to measure and manage resource flows more precisely, potentially helping create circular systems where waste becomes input for new processes. The central challenge is redesigning industrial activities to support human well-being while protecting the diverse ecosystems upon which all life depends. Industrial civilizations have created distinct business models centered on mass production and resource extraction. Traditional manufacturing follows a linear take-make-dispose approach, where raw materials are harvested, transformed into products, sold, used briefly, and discarded. This system maximizes short-term profits while externalizing environmental costs. Though profitable for shareholders, this model has accelerated resource depletion and waste accumulation, creating mounting ecological pressures that businesses now increasingly recognize as threats to their long-term viability. Business operations within industrial civilizations reflect their fundamental priorities and constraints. Companies typically optimize for production efficiency and quarterly earnings, structuring their operations around specialized labor, centralized management, and global supply chains. Most corporations use information systems primarily to reduce costs and increase speed rather than tracking environmental impacts. Research and development departments focus on creating proprietary technologies that drive sales growth rather than environmental restoration. These established practices show how industrial civilizations' commercial institutions embody and reinforce values of continuous economic expansion and material throughput, though market shifts are forcing some adaptation toward more sustainable models.